And the first thing we're going to be learning is about market structure. Market structure is very, very key, very, very key. It's very, very important in forex trading. Having the understanding of market structure is key because that is how you get to know the direction of the trend. And in forex trading, there is a word sentence that we always make, that trend is your friend. If you don't have the understanding of trend, then you are going nowhere. The first thing you need to know is the trend. Where is the trend going? What is this trend direction? Then you'll be able to position yourself in the direction of the trend. If you fail at that level, you have failed everything. So market structure will teach you how to know the trend direction. That is very, very important. And the second thing that you'll be learning in this course is how to draw your trend line. How to draw your trend line correctly. There are various ways of people draw trend line, but we're going to teach you how to draw it correctly. Okay? Because trend line, as the name implies, is a line that gives you the direction of the trend. So if you are able to get it right, then you'll be able to know the direction of the trend. Then you'll be able to get good results. Then after that, you're going to learn demand and supply. Demand and supply, that is where, we trade levels to level. Markets move from one level to the other. Price move from one level to the other. So it has those levels that you need to, make your trade. If you want to do any trade, you want to buy or sell, you buy and sell at those levels. So how do you know those levels to buy and to sell? Then you're going to learn that in the demand and supply. Then the next thing you're going to learn is chart pattern. Chart pattern, in the forex markets, when you open your chart, which is what we use to make our decisions. Your chart is based on various patterns that is giving you some information of what the other traders are doing, the market makers are doing all over the world. So chart is full of patterns that you will be giving you information on what you need to do at every point in time, on how to make your decision at every point in time. So what are those patterns that you need to be looking out for, when you open your chart in the forex market? So all those things you're going to learn from this course. Okay, well, how many chart patterns do you have? How do you identify them? How do you trade them? All those you're going to learn. Then the next thing you're going to learn is candlestick pattern. You need to know about candlestick patterns. Those are the things that also give you information. Chart patterns, candlestick patterns, those are the things that give you information on how to make your decisions in the market. Then another thing you're going to learn is how to use Fibonacci. Fibonacci is a very, very important tool that you need to measure your levels, how solid your level is, the retracement level. When the market is making, when there is a trend in the market doesn't just go in a straight line. There are times that they will need to pull back. But when they are pulling back, when they are retracing, how will you know where they will pull back to or retrace to before they continue in the trend direction? So with the help of this tool, you'll be able to know how to do you'll be able to know all those things. So in this course, we're going to teach you how you'll be able to use the Fibonacci for you to be able to be profitable in the market. Then after that, you're going to learn the entry strategies. This is very, very important. Entry strategies, very, very important. You might have a very good analysis. If you don't have a very good entry strategies in place, you're still going to mess up. The market is still going to mess you up. You might have a very good analysis, and which is a lot of 90% of forex trader or financial market trader always have good analysis. But where the problem is the entry. That is where people lose money. So you need to have a good entry strategies in place before you can be profitable in the forex market. So all this we're going to teach you in this course. And last but not the least is how to analyze the market. all those things that I've been mentioning, they are the tools, or they are the components. Let me put it that way. So after you have learned all those various components, how do you put them together for you to be able to launch, for you to be able to make your buy and sell decision? So those are the things that you're going to do. And so in analysis, those are the things we put together. All those components that I've been mentioning, they are the ones that you put together while you are doing your analysis. So a method that we usually use, or that I'm going to teach you in this course, is top-down analysis, where you analyze, from the higher time frame, then you come and pick your trade on the lower time frame, because the higher time frame gives you the bigger picture. Okay, so you see the bigger picture on the higher time frame, then you come down to the lower time frame to come and pick your trade. Okay, so all this we're going to teach you in this course. So just make sure you relax and enjoy the course. Then if you have any comments or any question, you can ask in the comments, then I'm going to respond to you. But please, practice is very, very important. Let's go.